I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos microwave step by step. Lay a single layer of chips on a microwave-safe plate, sprinkle even cheese coverage, add jalapenos or beans sparingly, and heat in short intervals. Check every 20 to 30 seconds to prevent burning, and cover loosely with microwave-safe plastic if cheese splatters. Finish with fresh toppings after melting, and let rest for a minute before serving. Start by arranging chips in a single, slightly overlapping layer so heat distributes evenly. Use about 1 cup of shredded cheese for a standard plate, spreading it to cover all chips. Add beans, cooked meat, or jalapenos before heating, but keep salsa and sour cream for after. Heat in 20 to 30-second bursts on high, checking often, until cheese is melted and bubbling. Let nachos rest briefly before adding fresh garnishes. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more people find quick kitchen hacks. On another note, a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I love how its clear advice pairs with simple meals like these nachos, practical and freeing. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust microwave power if you have a high-watt model by using 70 to 80% power to prevent rapid burning. Heat for 20 to 30 seconds, then lift and rotate the plate to redistribute heat. Repeat until cheese melts to your liking, which usually takes 40 to 90 seconds total depending on quantity. After heating, allow the nachos to rest for about 1 minute so cheese stabilizes and chips crisp up slightly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.